Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macabo. So today's topic, I'll be sharing with you how to make two ways your fish balls. Yes, guys, one with peanut butter, one without peanut butter. Yes, guys, so please let's dive in. Yes, how to enjoy your fresh fish with fish ball, guys. Yes, simple ingredients, easy to make. Yes. So guys, as you can see, this is the finishing bit. Yes, guys, so please stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe, and also show your girl some love by commenting. Okay, so these are all the different type of fish you may use for your fish ball, but the one I'll be using today is the red headless fish. Yes, you can get this at the Bolton market. So as you can see, all the ingredients I am using, it's very simple. This is just like breadcrumb. It helped to hold the fish ball together. So as you can see, we're using chili, onions, lake, garlic, and ginger. You just use small amount just for adding flavor to the fish ball. So the ginger, onions, lake, and the chili, it's going in now in the blender. Then I will add the fish. Two fish there, so I'm using one star Maggie and then the chicken one, then 1 spoon of my mixed seasonings, then the breadcrumbs like cornmeal. This help to hold the fish ball together. I'm going with 3 spoons. Yes, depending how big the fish is, so you can just use your own measurement with that. Yes, this add more flavor to. Use the chop blender to do this process, to blend the fish with all the other ingredients, because this, as you can see now, you don't have to add water, so that it blends really well. Look for fish that doesn't have a lot of bones in, and then also fish that doesn't contain a lot of oil. Mackerel fish, for an example, has a lot of oil, so you have to use specific kind of breadcrumbs to hold the fish, especially if you're frying it, it will fall apart. Yes, guys. So once the mixture is all blend like this, as you can see, it looks really solid. This is perfect for your fish ball. Look at that. You see how it grab onto the spoon, so it's good. Yes, once you see it slide, and then also when you blend, don't blend it too smooth. Too smooth. Yeah, you have to do it half and half so that it doesn't go watery. Yes, it can if you do it too smooth. So once you put the mixture into the bowl, have some water in a small bowl just to dip your fingers in. That way it helps to mold the fish ball. So once you mold the fish ball, have a plate to place the fish ball once you're molding it. So you just carry on doing that. As you can see, with that water, it really helped to make the fish ball doesn't stick into your hand.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Once the oil is all heat up to 250 Celsius, then you go ahead and fry the fish ball. Please, if you're using gas cooker or electric cooker or a deep fryer, once you put the fish ball inside the oil, keep the heat high, so that way the fish ball will not go soggy while you're frying it. If the heat is low, it has to be high, because of the fish ball, it's too solid and cold. It's a meat, so the oil has to be hot. Yes, keep the heat that way. So once it's at this stage, like so, you can put the heat down now. Let it cook inside slowly. Yes, you put the heat down depending the kind of fryer you're using and cooker. So this fishball mix, it's the one with peanut butter, guys. Personally, for me, I prefer the one without peanut butter because nowadays the peanut butter here, they're not good. They contain a lot of oil in them, so it's not help with the fish really. Yes, guys. So once your fish is all clean, skin out, bone out, everything, you got your peanut butter. This is just the way we do it in Sierra Leone, but in Sierra Leone, because we use pure peanut butter, then also fresh fish, it works really good. So this, it's the breadcrumbs. This one is from Africa. It got loads of flavor in. The way they made it, it's so nice. It's really, really good, guys. Yes. So it's like breadcrumbs. You can use cornmeal, peanut butter. You can use whatever you think, you know. So the chili and onions, it's already blended. Yeah. So once you blend it like that, you go ahead and add the fish. So the fish, if you want to chop it, you can chop it. But for me, it's just okay like this. Because I'm using the chop blender, it does it for me better. Yeah. Then I'm going ahead with my mix seasonings, which has Maggie already inside with some other seasoning. So I'm going there with 3 teaspoons, the small ones. Yeah. So that way control my salt. And then with the breadcrumbs, I'm going with 4 spoons there. This adds so much flavor. Then a big scoop of the peanut butter. My dear, this fishball tastes so good, guys. Try it like the way I've just done it like that. So once you add everything, then you just blend it. Don't blend it too smooth, guys. Especially now this has peanut butter. It will go really watery. So just do it half in half. So that way it doesn't go soggy while you're frying it. So guys, this is the tricky part when you want to fry the fish ball, the one with peanut butter. Be mindful with the oil. And then also I made a mistake because it depends with the kind of fish you use as well. So this fish I use is a Headless fish, as you know from the beginning. So if you're frying it now at this stage, please don't put all, put half. You see there what I did? I put all. I was thinking because I fried it the first time without the peanut butter, I put all. It worked out better. So I said, oh, let me do the same because I use the same fish too. So I think, oh, that should work out fine. But no, it didn't. It went really soggy. So please try to put small and then let the oil be more as well. Don't use less oil. Like I said, it depends with the cooker you're using or the fryer, then also with the kind of frying pan you're using as well. So as you can see, it went really soggy there just because I put all of the fish ball together. But if you put half, it's good. Yeah, it really went soft, because of the fish ball. It's solid and it's cold. And I went to put all. So this is why it went soggy like this. Yes. So please, if you made like 25 fish ball, just put the 12, then you leave the other 12. Once you fry the other 12, then you continue with the other 12. Yeah, that way it will not go soggy like mine, guys. Okay, that was a mistake learned there. Yes. So if you want to see me how I cook this fish ball to make them look like this, please, the video should be out now. Go ahead and watch that video. How I combine this fish ball with potato, really nice. Then with broccoli, you know, just check the video. I'll put it on the description below with all the ingredients that I've used, guys. I hope this video helped you in any way. If it does, please show your girl some love, like the video and comment.